Okay, we started. This is the Sinotrack platform. Does not working. And this is video proof for second SIM card I use in GPS device. This is first one. Okay. This is second one. I put second one in the GPS device. GPS device. It's working for now. For now it's working. Okay. To see the platform. Okay, see the platform. Login. My username is Milan Ristic. Password. Save password. Remember password. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and submit. We're waiting for connect to the platform, and now we see what's happened with the second card. With second card say nothing. Again, Shenzhen, China. Okay. Okay. My username. Say no monitor. When I click, invalid and hand. This is my email of email of devices. Okay. Promise me seller promised me 3 years, but expiry time 1 year.